Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcomes you in the second semester. It's standard fourth English subject, and we are going to check out chapter number 7, paper boats. I hope you have given the exam of first semester well and you will get good marks. Before starting lesson, let's learn some new words or hard words. Awful, very bad or unpleasant. Chin up, pull up or proudly. Clutching, holding tightly. Console, to give comfort. Curiously, having a strong desire to know about something. Drain, to make something empty or dry by removing water from it. Drifted, moved slowly in water. Gurgling, sound of water flowing quickly through a narrow space. Hesitantly, slowly as if not sure. Horrible means terrible. In a flash, within a few minutes. Inspecting, looking closely at something. Intention, purpose. Launched, put a ship or boat into the water. Pounced, jumped forward to catch. Proudly, with pride. Shriek, to give a loud high shout. Snatched, too quickly and roughly. Too quickly and roughly. Sulking, showing that one is anger. One is anger. Swiftly, quickly and immediately. Swirling, 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 movement, moving around quickly with a circle movement. Now let's start the lesson number 7, paper boats. Dear students, have you made in rainy season any paper boats? I hope you have made and you have played with it. Okay, in this lesson we are going to check out that Anna did not like what Aunt Avanti told her to do, but she did it. Dear students, do you like your aunt or your uncle, whatever they are telling? Are you doing that things? Do you like what they are telling? Okay, in this lesson also we are going to check out as the same incident that Anna did not like what Aunt Avanti told to her to do, but she did it. Okay, what happened? What was it then Anna did? What happened after that? We are going to see this all the things in this chapter. Bent over a stream of muddy rain water, Anna gently launched a paper boat. Like the two earlier ones, this boat too sailed down the stream swiftly and proudly. So here we can understand that bent over a stream of muddy rain water. As you can see in the picture, the children are bent over a stream of muddy rainwater. Anna gently launched a paper boat, and Anna put a paper boat in the flowing water, and like the two earlier ones, means as she has launched two already boats, and this is the third one. This boat too sailed down the stream swiftly and proudly. So as you can see in this picture, these two boats are already sailed in water, and third one also Anna has launched, and it has also went in the water. Okay, each time that happened, Anna would shriek with delight, but this time something horrible happened. Each time Anna had launched the boat very delightfully, means very happily, but this time something horrible has happened. What has happened? Let's check out. A big boy pounced on her boat and pulled it out. One big boy has came and he has taken his Anna's boat. He whipped off the water and turned the boat upside down. What he has done, he whipped up the water and turned the boat upside down. Okay, the big boy has done like this. Anna stared at the boy. Okay, Anna has looked at the boy, and he was huge and dirty. That boy was huge and dirty. So busy was he in inspecting the boat. He was very busy in that inspecting that boat. Okay, that he did not notice Anna's anger stare. Then, as he was busy in inspecting the boat, he hasn't noticed Anna's anger stare. Okay, then she turned and ran into the house. Then Anna turned and she has ran into the house. Dear students, as you can see in this picture, this is the huge and dirty boy, and she is maybe Anna. Okay, let's see what has happened. Aunt Avanti was sitting in an armchair watching the newly washed tree and the beautiful sky when Anna rushed in, her face red. So Aunt Avanti was sitting in an armchair and she was watching newly washed trees. She was observing the beautiful trees and sky. Then when Anna rushed in, her face red. So as Anna has ran into her house with a red face. Why? Because the boy was inspecting the boat of Anna, and that is why she has run into her house. So Aunt Avanti has noticed that awful boy, he snatched away my boat, she said. Then Anna said that awful boy, he snatched away my boat. Then also she is telling to her aunt that awful boy has snatched my boat away. Don't worry, I will make another for you. Aunt Avanti tried to console her. Then Aunt Avanti has tried to console her that don't worry Anna, don't worry, I will make another boats for you. You don't worry. Okay. What if he takes that one also? Then Anna said, what will happen if he will take another also? Then I will make some more boats. Then Aunt Avanti said, I will make some more boats. I will make for you. You don't worry. Suppose he takes all of them. Then Anna said, suppose he will take all the boats, then what you will do? Now tick the correct option. Snatched means take away roughly, take away politely, take away slowly. Answer is take away roughly. A. Answer is A. So answer is A. Take away roughly. No, he won't because I will make two for him as well. Then Aunt Avanti said that no, he will not take your all the boats. Why? Because I will make two boats for him also. So he will not take your boats. Okay. Then, but why should you make any for him? Then our Anna said that, but why you are making and why you will make or why should you make any boat for him? Dear students, here we have completed our first part. In the next video, we are going to check out second part. Okay, thank you.